Hi, and welcome to the SAP UI5 tutorial series. In this series, we will learn about SAP UI5, a JavaScript framework for building web applications. SAP UI5 is based on open standards like HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript, and it provides a rich set of UI controls and features. Let's start by understanding the architecture of SAP UI5. SAP UI5 follows a client-server architecture, where the client is a web browser and the server can be any backend system or a cloud-based service. The server provides the business logic and data, while SAP UI5 runs in the client browser and handles the user interface and interaction. SAP UI5 offers several key features that make it a powerful framework for web application development. It provides a large set of ready-to-use UI controls, such as buttons, tables, and input fields, which can be easily customized and styled. SAP UI5 supports data binding, allowing you to connect UI elements with backend data sources seamlessly. It also supports responsive design, making it easy to build applications that adapt to different screen sizes and devices. Before we start coding with SAP UI5, let's set up our development environment. You'll need an integrated development environment, IDE, or a text editor to write your code. We recommend using SAP Web IDE, which is a powerful web-based IDE specifically designed for SAP UI5 development. You can also use other popular IDEs like Visual Studio Code or Eclipse with SAP UI5 plugins. That's it for the introduction to SAP UI5. In the next video, we will create our first SAP UI5 application and explore the basic concepts of views and controllers. Stay tuned for an exciting journey into the world of SAP UI5.